teach you how to use an empty water bottle to grow tomatoes at home. Simple operation, it will be spring at a glance. Students, hurry up and follow the video to plant. First, dispose of the large or empty water bottle. Revamp it as a container for planting. Find a cap. Stroke the position of the bottle mouth. Drill a circle with a pen. In this way, it will be more round when cutting off the mouth of the bottle with a knife, about 10 centimeters off the bottom of the bottle. Iron the mouth with an electric soldering iron. This mouth is for transplanting tomato seedlings. Hold some small holes around the bottom of the bottle for ventilation and drainage, so there's no urgent rows. Find some Coke bottles. Cut the bottom. Iron a small hole in the bottle cap. Insert a cotton swab or cotton rope. And this is done with a simple drip irrigation device. This is pre-arranged. How to raise tomato seedlings. It's very simple. Soak the seeds in warm water for half a day. Break its dormant state. Then put it in a wet tissue to spread and rub it. Put it in a Ziploc bag or box. Then put it in a warm place. For example, on a router, open it after 2 to 3 days. See the seeds white. Sow the seeds into the seedling cup in time. This is the all-purpose tissue germination method. Pay attention to ensure sufficient sunlight during the seedling period. Otherwise, the seedlings will grow unnecessarily. The empty water bottle is first filled with part of the soil. Hold the tomato seedlings upside down. Take out the soil and roots together. Pierce the seedlings out of the bottle like this. Add soil. Buried roots. Be careful with this process. Otherwise, it will not be good if the seedlings are broken. After all transplanting, put the drip irrigation device I made out of Coke bottles on it. Fill it up with water and it will slowly drip. You can last a long time by pouring water once. Tomatoes are growing fast after 25 days. We use hanging vines to plant. Tie a rope around the branch. Wrap and hang up. If it is inconvenient to plant hanging vines, you can put a stick in the bottle. Leave the branches in the tomato trunk. Form a Y shape. The bottom leaves and side branches are cut off. This is the double vine pruning method. Double vine wants one more vine with the result. Relatively speaking, there are more blooms and fruits. During the fruit expansion period, to ensure sufficient water and fertilizer, this way the tomatoes will grow more, bigger and more delicious. Apply to the water bottle. It's some compressed, decomposed organic manure. After fertilization, cover with a layer of soil. Rewatering maximizes fertilizer efficiency. After 60 days, the first tomatoes to be touched turn red one after another. Adequate light can accelerate the ripening of fruits. It is important to note that water management during ripening is also important. Adopt the method of small water frequent irrigation. Water a small amount and multiple times. Avoid a flood. Otherwise, if the tomatoes are too hydrated, fruit cracking may occur. Old leaves, yellow leaves, and lateral branches at the bottom of the branches are cut off. Avoid stealing nutrients. Tomatoes have a long harvest period. You can eat batch after batch. Ripe fruit. The tomatoes you grow are absolutely fresh and pollution-free. It tastes better than what you buy in the market. The most critical, I also enjoy the process and pleasure of planting. And the sense of accomplishment of harvesting the fruit. It can heal your body and mind after a tired job. Did you learn it?